If you have 2 cups of fruit, you can make an easy jam that only has 3 ingredients. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make a blackberry and peach chia jam. Stay tuned. I have 2 cups of blackberries and 2 cups of fresh peaches that I'm making chia jam. This chia jam recipe is so easy and only requires 3 ingredients: fruit, chia seeds, and a sweetener of your choice. In my saucepan on medium heat, I'm adding in 2 cups of fresh blackberries. I'm bringing this up to a simmer and cooking the berries down until they release their moisture. This is going to take about 7 to 10 minutes. As the berries start to cook down and break apart, take a slotted spatula, potato masher, or even a spoon or fork and break down the berries until smoother and even consistency. Once you get a nice consistency, remove from the heat. For a pop of brightness, you can also add a little squeeze of lemon. Now is the time to add any sweetener of your choice. I'm adding about a tablespoon of honey. That is one of the nice things about this recipe. You can control the amount of sweetener you add, if any. Here I have an even, exact 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and mixing thoroughly. When the chia seeds are introduced to moisture, they take on a jelly-like texture, all natural. Depending on the moisture in the fruit, you may need to add a little more chia seeds. Be exact in your chia seed measurements. Initially, add a level 1/4 cup of the seeds, and then add a teaspoon at a time if you need a thicker consistency. Just keep in mind that the jam will thicken as it cools and is refrigerated. And to store this, put it in a lidded container in the refrigerator. And I have some fresh peaches, so why not make some peach chia jam? It's not the prettiest, but it really tastes good. You can serve this fruit chia jam on toast, muffins, shortcake or dessert cups, in oatmeal, or even on top of ice cream. I hope you try and make this simple, easy, and delicious chia jam recipe, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!